Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Hi, we're back with another makeup tutorial, and today our main focus is going to be on skin. So today my client wanted to get like a really soft natural beat, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do like a simple, beat for like, I don't know, like maybe brunch or going out for like dinner, something really simple and cute. So she really wanted to focus on more so like not like a natural beat, but more so like a natural, a soft natural makeup look. So right now, I went in and filled up what am I saying? I went in and filled her brows in, and I'm just going in with some concealer, and I'm just concealing her brows. So part of the clip from the brows kind of like cut off. I don't know what happened, so sorry you guys about that. I don't know what happened, you guys. It's just like it just cut off. I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't recording, so it's gonna cut off. But yeah, here I am concealing her brows, and I'm using Milani's concealers as always in Cool Tan to clean her to conceal her brows. Yes, guys, welcome to my channel. Let me just go ahead and start putting out these videos for y'all. You guys, I was out of town like last week, so that's another reason why I didn't post any videos for a while. But yeah, so make sure you guys go check out my last video that I posted. Yeah. So right now I'm going in with NARS foundation, and this is the shade Macao, and I'm basically going in little by little, and I'm just placing it with the same brush, the same brush that I used to conceal her brows. I'm just going in with that to apply the foundation, and I'm going in with my Real Technique Insta Pop brush, and I'm just tapping that into her skin. So I'm just tapping that into her skin. And she has really, really nice skin. And her hair was so cute. So yeah, here I am just tapping that foundation in. Now I'm going in with some concealer, and this is the shade, I believe, hold on you guys, this is the shade Pure Beige, I believe. I'll have the concealers listed in the description box, but this is Pure Beige from Milani, and I'm using that to highlight. And I'm going in with my Real Technique setting brush, and I am basically blending out the edges of her concealer. Yeah, so I'm blending out the forehead, the nose, and the chin, and I just kind of keep the rest of the concealer that's under her eye, just so we can get like a nice coverage. And then I went in and I blended that out. Now I'm going in with black opal and the shade Ebony, and I'm using that to contour. So I went in with this dense brush to contour her nose, and then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe angled brush that I can't find anymore, you guys. Like, I don't know where this brush at, but I couldn't find it. But I'm going in with that brush, and I'm just basically blending out that cream contour I applied on her skin. And notice how I'm just blending it out upwards so it can like kind of connect with the concealer. So I went in with some No Shine Matte from Accosmetics setting powder, and I went in and applied setting powder already on the highlighted areas. And I just basically I didn't put too much, but I really went in and tapped the setting powder into her skin. And then I went in with Black Radiance contour palette to contour. So basically setting the cream contour that we applied at first. So we're going to use that Black Radiance contour palette to set that. Now here I am going in with the same setting powder, and I'm just carving out her contour. Because we want a really sharp contoured look, but not too much. And then here I am doing the same thing with her nose. Now I'm going in with some blush in my Real Techniques brush. I love that brush. And here I am going in with NYX brown pencil, lip pencil, and I'm just lining up her lips. And then she told me she wanted to do like a red lip. And so I was just like, okay, perfect. That'll be like perfect. So I went in with some liquid lipstick from NYX. And I just placed that all over her lips. And then I'm going in with a dense buffing brush to buff the lipstick in. And then now I'm going in with another setting brush, and I'm just placing C8 under the eye, and I'm just pressing the foundation powder into her skin and not swiping. Next, I ended up going with NW44, I believe, and I'm just placing that at the bottom portion of her face, and I'm just pressing that into the skin. Now I'm going in with NYX, not NYX, but I'm going in with Wet and Wild eyeliner in jet black, and I'm just creating a eyeliner for her. And then of course I went off camera to apply the lashes, and here I am applying highlight. And then yeah, I'm just applying highlight in the highlighted areas. And you guys, this completes the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. She was so pretty and she was really nice, and she loved her makeup, and this is how the end results look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you to all the new people that just came to my channel and subscribe. I appreciate the love, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Smoke